guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am again with ERBA XL 200. Today we are gonna see how to replace the halogen lamp in ERBA XL 200.
Guys, before changing the lamp, let's see the gain value. So it is near to 900. And look at the cell blank. You can see all are blue in color. The acceptable gain value of the lamp is between 350 up to 900.
So guys, now we are going to check the quality of this water by using this TDS meter. It will show us the TDS value, which means total dissolved solids in parts per million. So let's see the quality of this water. So it is showing us only 1, so which means very good quality of water.
Guys, the voltage of the lamp is 12 volts, but we are recommending you to always keep it at 11.8 or 11.7. So guys, to replace the lamp, just loose the screw little bit. Don't take it out. Same as remove the connector from both terminals. Meanwhile, let me open the cover. Now I am just verifying the functionality of the probe to see that it's aspiration, dispensing, same as for the detergent and the dry chip as well. Now it's time to check the gain value of this lamp. Earlier it was above 800. So let's see what is the value after changing the lamp. So guys, the gain value of the lamp is almost 500, which is perfect. So now it is time to run the cuvette rinse to see the absorbance on each cuvette. Now check the absorbance on each cuvette. It will change one by one. The range of absorbance is from 0.01 up to 0.2. If the absorbance value is below than 0.01, then it will be blue in color, and if the value is high from 0.2, then the color will be red. So guys, now you can see that all the cuvettes are black in color, which means all are within the range. Now you can compare the current value with previous value. Now it's backup time.
So guys, if you like my today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Till that time, bye bye.